friends, this is Chinmay Das from Ethereal Elixir, and in this episode we are going to try a summer cooler. How about watermelon cooler? I do have a very good watermelon here. You can see it's all around green. And how do you make out whether it's good or not, whether it's ripe or not? You look for a round white patch in your watermelon. So here you can see this is a round pale yellow patch. And that's when you know it's real good sweet. So let's try our cooler. I have my watermelon. I make 2 equal halves using my chef knife. Half of the watermelon is good to make 3 to 4 liter of cooler. So I'm using half of the watermelon and other half I keep aside. We need 2 cups of ice. I do have a melon baller here. Very useful tool in your kitchen. If you do not have it, you can use a stainless steel measuring spoon set and make different size of melon balls. I also have some sugar, mint leaves, and that's it. No other ingredients. I'm using watermelon here to make this cute tiny little balls. You can use 3 different types of melons, let's say watermelon, honeydew melon, and muskmelon. That will give a contrast of colors and your guest will be surprised with your presentation. Now I have made around 2 cups of melon balls. I keep it aside and use my hand blender to make a smoothie of rest of the watermelon. So I'm using the blender on the watermelon itself, but if you want to cut into small slices and put it into a bowl and then blend it, it will be even easier. I add 1 cup of sugar, few mint leaves and ice cubes. Blend it again till you get a smoothie consistency and it's done. You can taste it at this moment and you can present it like by adding the melon balls on top of it in this way. So it will give a rustic touch to your presentation, or you can use a cocktail glass or martini glass and present it this way. I'm using a bamboo skewers to hold the melon balls, so that way it will be easy for your guests to eat the melon balls while they are taking a sip of the cool watermelon cooler, and keep it in a container like this in a refrigerator and enjoy it. This is so easy that kids can help you and they enjoy like making these small tiny melon balls, and this is a good activity for the kids when you are preparing for your party.
Hey guys, it's Nishka Das and I'm going to be trying a cool watermelon cooler. So it has mint leaves, a watermelon of course. So let's try it. So this is our one and only beauty of watermelon cooler. So it has like these kind of watermelon balls on the side and the mint leaves over there, and it has the watermelon kind of drink here. So let's try it. It's super cool and it's really good for hot climate and definitely refreshing. So now we're going to be trying this watermelon. It looks really, like the watermelon looks really cool because it's on these bamboo skewers. And I like that it's shaped like balls. It tastes really cool, refreshing, and it kind of tastes like a slushie because it's like really thick, like this a slushie, and the watermelon, it's kind of like the ice in a slushie. So this is really perfect for hot climates. Please do try this recipe and subscribe, share, and like. And don't forget to smash that bell icon. Goodbye.